No, Ellie's never really been very growly, but she's one, she makes milk so well. We have to watch her for milk fever, and we have to work to get her weight back up because she does do so well. Like, she makes the fattest, healthiest, roly-poly puppies. And she's an amazing mom. We don't have to do anything. She does everything. But we do have to work on getting her back. So she's on, pretty much as much freeze-dried as she wants now. And kibble if she wants it, right? You just kind of...
Kibble, freeze-dried, egg, puppy formula, and soft cat food. So
everything you can do to just keep her well supported through this. But she recovers real well when she stops feeding him. It's while she's feeding him we have to make sure she's holding on to her weight enough because she is a good milk-producing machine.
When you steal an Echo's milk.
Are you a milk machine?
You are. You're cute. You're one of the cutest milk-making machines. Although cows are cute, too. It's just a different... it's a different kind of cute. Hi, Ellie. Hi, Ellie. You're fine. You're fine, girl. I bet that feels good. All right. Bet that feels good, Ellie. She's the one that had the bigger litter. So.
Right. Yeah, she had quite a few.
We had 6. I think she's had... What did she have? Well, she had
6. Girl, there you go.
Or 6 then 4.
6, then 4, then 6 again. Arendelle. Hi, baby. Hi. She's not fighting it up. I mean, she's just sitting there like, I'll take it. Maybe she remembers from last time.
She probably does.
They're like, oh yeah, after I have babies and I come down here, I feel so much better.
Wonky is the technical term, the medical terminology.
Ellie.
Her pelvic listing is wonky. Left ilium.
So cooperative. Oh, good girl.
Unlike Fable, who's all over the face. A little wiggle room. Oh.
That was a burp.
Yeah, probably from that.
What do you think? What do you think?
Yeah, she needed that for sure.
Okay. Well, I'm glad she got it.